Alright, howdy dork friends. Okay, so I've got a Anytone 878 and a UV5R Bowfang. It's the one on the left. I removed the high gain antenna that I had on UV5R just so I can use this lower gain antenna that's on the Anytone on transmit. I've got both of them set at 1 watt. The Anytone has 4 levels. I think it's 0.1, 1, 4 watts, and 7 watts. And then the UV5R is like 1 watt and 5 watts. We're going to test this on 446000. And so shouldn't have any problems from 6 or 7 feet underneath the ground here in my basement with interfering with anybody. And I'll be listening and looking at the scope on my 9700, just you know, curiosity's sake. It's got a couple spikes. Audio 1, 2, 3. Let's turn that audio up just to see what it sounds like here on this here radio. All right, this is the Anytone. 1, 2, 3, audio. 1, 2, 3, audio. Test, test, test. AE7QT, test. Okay, so for the sake of not having any squalling, I'm going to go ahead and set this thing and turn the volume up a little ways. Make sure the other radio's off, and then we're going to back up. Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2, 3. Let's see if no feedback. Feedback? No feedback. Audio 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the audio is not too bad. It's not low. Okay, so that was the point. A lot of people complained about super low audio on these cheaper radios. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the antenna on the other radio, and we're going to do the reverse thing. Be right back. Alright, so we're back, and got the lower antenna there, low power on the 446. Let's look at a scope. A couple little spikes. Audio 1, 2, 3, AE7QT, test, test, test. Alright, let's turn the audio up. Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. AE7QT. Not too shabby. Alrighty. So, without making y'all dizzy. Oh, look. 10 meters. Trying to do some FT8. Let's turn this bad boy up. And try not to squall. Make sure the 9700 is down. Audio 1, 2, 3. Wow, this Bowfang is loud. Loud, loud, loud Bowfang. Not to mention that's the Anytone. Audio test. 8E7QT. Alright, there it is. Okay, so 2 cheapo radios. Bowfang, I think I spent about 30 some odd dollars, including the bigger battery. The Anytone, I think, was like 170 bucks. I did not buy any extra accessories. I did buy this higher gain antenna here a while back from a guy in Utah. And I think I'm going to stick it on the Anytone because it certainly does a lot better on receive. So, yeah, that's just a quick audio and quick signal check on the scope. Nothing more to it. Hope anybody looking to get one of these cheaper radios, that helps you out. Have fun out there, and keep it legal.